friends, and welcome back to my channel. I know I look busted, but it's okay because we finna do this hair. We are about to head out for Atlanta, and I just needed a quick hairstyle for the Memorial weekend because your girl didn't feel like fooling with a wig, so oatmeal. So I have decided to opt for a curly ponytail because I feel like that's gonna be the easiest, convenient, quick hairstyle. I don't think I've done a ponytail hairstyle on my channel before, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my hair. I'll be a year this week. Yes, I will. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at my baby. I love him so much. Hey guys, so as you can see, my ponytail is not done, but I wanted to come back on here because I did a complete separate hairstyle with the ponytail that I showed in the tutorial due to the fact of it didn't work how I wanted it to. So I was like, let me just do this bubble ponytail, and it ended up working out in my favor. So I'm like, let me do y'all the honor and actually make a tutorial for the bubble ponytail. So that's what I'm gonna do really quick. In addition to this video, I do apologize for not making this in the beginning. I just wanted to see how the ponytail was gonna work first. Let's get right into the tutorial. I'm in the process of recording a TikTok as well, so bear with me if this footage is a little different than normal. But here's the ponytail. I'm going to pull out a piece from the back to wrap. Okay, so this is the piece that I'm going to use to wrap. So I'm going to clip this together, and then I gather my first section, which is pretty much where I'm going to put my ponytail or my braid or whatever I decide to do. I take a scrunchie and I just start tying. Now this is curly hair, so be a little bit more gentle so you don't get it tangled, because I do plan on using this ponytail for other hairstyles. I just needed it fluffy, and it wasn't fluffy for the weekend how I wanted it to be, so I ended up not going with the hairstyle I intended to do. I'm gonna lower it just a little bit more. I think I want it to hit like right there. Yeah. So I'm gonna tie it around a few more. It's okay if it's tight. You can loosen it and adjust it how you want once it's on, or it's the desired shape and look that you want. Okay, so that's the first bubble. And I didn't want it to be super tight because, like I said, I planned on using this for other hairstyles, but maybe not. I have a few other ponytails that I could just keep this ponytail as my bubble ponytail. I haven't decided yet. So it's a very pretty curl pattern. It's just, like I said, it's not thick enough unless it's messy, and I didn't want to mess the curl up too much, so it is what it is. I have to make sure I'm keeping this position right, because this is where the clip is and the drawstring is on the side. All right, so I'm gonna do this one more time because I only had, I think, 2 sections. Yeah, I can't remember what I did in Atlanta because it was just kind of on whim, but if I did 3, then I'll do a 3rd one. But you just want to make sure it's at the desired shape and placement that you want your bubble to be. I'm gonna do that again. Okay. I could do it one more time. Yeah, I'm gonna do it one more time. And that's gonna be right here. Yeah. I'm gonna do this last one on TikTok so they can see how I did it. And I'm gonna come back once my hair is slicked down. Okay, so I've got my hair pulled back and braided like in the original tutorial. And I've got my bubble ponytail with my loose piece and my drawstring. And I'm going to still attach it the same way I attached it before, where I just hook it on to my braid up at the top, and I stuff my ponytail like that, and then I just tighten it, and then I'm gonna wrap it around like that. Literally, just like that. Just to hide the braid. Okay guys, this is the finished ponytail, bubble ponytail. I do hope you enjoyed my little tutorial on this clip-on ponytail hairstyle. I promise to bring more hairstyles this summer, just because I will be switching my hair up often because I don't like doing it. So I always want to have something where it can be out of my way, and this was the perfect quick hairstyle, so I promise to bring you more hairstyles like this. Do leave me a comment down below of your thoughts on this hairstyle, and I also want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching, and if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.